Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's see what is inside. This is kind of a big bag. If I can get it open here. All right. Alright, so we have cross stitch kits. I'll be right back and we'll find out who this is from. Alright, this package comes from OneDaySaving, and it'll be in two parts. So next part will be next Friday. So let's take a look at the first kit and get it out of its baggie here. Very nicely packaged. Put that up there. Turn this over, and this one's kind of a small one. It was $6.67. So we have this beautiful cat. It looks like a tortoiseshell in a bed of poppy flowers. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So it's 148 by 104. Big paper pattern, which is very nice. We have 44 colors in this, all y'all. Yep, I had to ring the bell. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. So it's kind of long and skinny. I just thought this was beautiful. The pattern is beautiful. I don't see but a little bit of a smudge right there. But nothing too horrible or horrific that you cannot read this pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's take a look at what colors we have in this. My goodness. We have no 310 black. We have 321 red. And 550 purple. Let's see. 666 red. No 498. We have 892 and 890, which are reddish and reddish orange. We have 939, which is a dark blue. No 3371. We have 3865 and 3866 for our white on the cat. But I just love this. I love the colors. I love everything about that. And I used to have a tortoiseshell cat, but they were all tortoiseshell, like maybe a gray color under their neck, but they were just, it was just a beautiful cat. I've had a couple that way. Yeah, very nicely done, and the pattern is big enough to read, so that is awesome. But there's just a tad bit of smudging right there. No big deal, just not even worth mentioning. No, not at all. So I'm happy about that part. They're trying to get it together, I think. All right, we have a toolkit with a butterfly. I don't know that you'll be able to see that butterfly. I'll try to. It's real faint, actually. It has 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader, as usual. Let's take a look at the colors. And another one that I am thrilled sick that it's not going to be very big. And we'll look at its confetti once I get to the canvas, because some days, sorry, I'm just moving the other one over. I can't tell until I see the actual canvas. Okay, let's get rid of that. Oh my goodness, my eyes itch today. We were outside yesterday in the dust and the wind, and it was awesome. Yeah, but we're good. Just makes my eyes dry for some reason. All right, so we have we're going to have lots of reds and oranges, corals, got some green, and this is kind of a mocha color. Here's your 3865 and 3866. Frankly, my dear, I can't tell the difference. If you can, good for you. Because, no, I don't see a difference. Oh, Lord. I'm telling you, they got to make it complicated, don't they? Maybe once I stitch it, it'll be different. So on this side, we have some cocoa brown, beautiful blues. Look at those oranges for the poppies. Kind of a pinky color. Pale pink, pale pink. Kind of a, I don't know what that color is. Teal? Maybe a dark teal? But it's real close to this one. But it does have a lot of colors in here. 44 different colors, so that'll help. So you know somewhere along the line it's going to be a little confettied. But look at all the bright oranges and reds, and there's your 550 purple and your greens. I just think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning picture. And as small as it is, it's awesome. There were no extra, hanks of thread in this, but look at all those colors together. They're just beautiful. Just jewel tones. Love it. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas. See, it's not very big. 30 by 40. Should fit in an 11 by 14 frame, because that's what size I usually get for diamond paintings. This is full coverage one though. 40 centimeters that away. And little over 29 and a half centimeters this way. Actual picture size is dang near 9.5 inches, or 24 centimeters by 33 and a half, or almost 13 and a quarter. So no, so if you use the whole thing, yeah, it'll fit in 11 by 14 with nice extra edges around it. So very nice, very nicely done. And the serging does not go down, into the numbers, but paper pattern will match, so you can look up the numbers. Very darkly printed, nice to see symbols. Very lovely. I don't see any smears or blotches here at all. Just gorgeous. Yeah, I can hardly wait to start this one. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Here we are. And you wonder why I have so many starts on projects. Here we are. Yeah. Alright, let's look at the next one. This one it's a 50 by 65 and it's 1435. Let's take a look. Get it out of its plastic baggie. It's really in there. So this one is really big, but I love the colors. Just love them. I fall in love with color way first. And here is the picture. I call it the Turquoise Castle. Is that not gorgeous? Look at all the blues and the hues, and it's just, can you ever? Oh my goodness. It better have some things. It's all on one paper pattern. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And it does have the big instruction page, how to start, how to finish. Very nice. Huge, ginormous pattern. Very easy to see. Let's see how it looks. It has a little bit of smudging up in here, but we know this whole color right in here is going to be that yellow symbol. So it doesn't, there's some smudging in this, but I'm not real worried about it. It's in big areas. You can plainly see there shouldn't be any smudging. I just want to clarify that. But if there is, this is the best kind to get because it does not interfere. You can still see the symbols. It has 46 colors in this. Holy cow. They got that right. And it's going to be a little confettied here, there, and everywhere. It does have Some big areas up in here. It even has the colors running down the side, which is nice. Some do, some don't. So in this we have no 310 black, no 550 purple. We have 823, no 939. We do have 996, which is that lovely medium turquoise color. No 3371. It is kind of small. It's printed very small on this paper pattern, so hopefully it's bigger on the canvas. And it does have 3865 and 3770, which is the new white, evidently. So they're using it as whites as well. So very nice. But I'm glad it's a big, huge picture if you have to go looking at anything. Sometimes, no, there's no QR code. Sometimes there's a QR code right down here that you can use and pull up the paper pattern and print it, I'm assuming, from there if you need to. So, very nice. Let's take a look at what else we got. We got 2 little swallows or sparrows, 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. That one's very darkly printed compared to some. Let's take a look at all this yumminess. Does have a sticker, 50 by 65, and the product number. Paper pattern, canvas, and this bag will match. All, for all, symbols, everything. Get this open. Hold that out and away. So we have 3 hanks here. This is 3766. Isn't that a gorgeous medium turquoise? And then we have this medium tealy color. It's a combination of teal and turquoise. 3765. Beautiful color. It's just awesome. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh, can you ever? And I'm sure this is 3865. Yumminess. So this is full coverage. Let's take a look at the rest of it. Not like you can't see it right here, but yeah, let's get the full view and effect. There is a lot of thread here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Gorgeous. There's that 3370. See, it's more of an ecru color, if you will. This is your 3865. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, if that isn't good enough. Yummy. More yumminess. Oh yeah. Look at that. This thing is all blues, turquoises. Every shade of blue. Light, dark, medium, turquoise, green, blue-green, you know, gray blue. Just gorgeous. Ugh, can you ever? And there's these 3, I feel sorry for these guys because they're kind of the odd man out. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, these guys, 4 out of 4, what did I say, 48 colors? No, 46 colors. Yeah, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, possibly 8 colors that are not blue. Okay, there's maybe some gray there, but you know, it's like, gorgeous. And that is a wad of color. Oh my goodness. But that color, that would make a lovely sampler in counted on a lighter color fabric. It's just gorgeous. I just want to eat it up. It's just yummy. Drooling here, drooling. You know, I drool over the blue ones. What can I say? Because blue's my favorite color and I don't care what shade it is. Yep. Pretty much. Let's take a look at that canvas. Oh my goodness, I have to cut off little fringes. I haven't had to do that in months. They've been on top of that. So, all right, let me put that over there. Get the canvas out. Like I said, serged all the way around. And it has, let me get it laying down. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. This is 191 by 256. Now the stitching does go into the DMC numbers, but your paper pattern has it covered. So very nice, very well printed. There's very bigger areas. There's some smaller areas where you get to the detail. But just, love this one too. What can I say? Yep, just gorgeous. Very well done. Very nice. That's what I love about 11 count. You can just see everything. Usually very plainly. It's very, sometimes it's dark, sometimes it's light, but they have the dark surrounding the lighter area, like right in here. So it's very nice and very easy to see. See how big this puppy is. It's huge. Yeah. A winter project when there's snow falling. Yeah. Because it'll cover your lap and keep you warm, see, while you're stitching. It serves two purposes. To keep your brain occupied in the middle of winter when you can't go anywhere or do anything. Alright. Let's see here. We have 60, almost 66 and a half, and a little over 26 inches. And this way it is 49 and a half or 19 and a quarter inches. Actual picture size is 17 inches or almost 43 and a half centimeters by, it's a big puppy, 60 and a half centimeters or 23 and 3/4 inches. This is gonna be yumminess. Just absolutely yummy. I love the colors. Yeah, we'll have to start this soon too. Very nice printed. And this is one of the lighter canvases. So it's stiff, but it's lighter weight. It's not as thick and dense as some of them. So very nice. Yeah. Wouldn't know where to start, but yeah. Gorgeous. Now, let's see. Well, just trying to get everybody together here. Now, OneDaySaving has free shipping over $50. I have ordered from them personally, and it takes about 2 weeks on their shipping. 2 to 3 weeks, depending on where you're at. That's what it's been about running. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They also do custom. They have paper quilling. They have some beaded cross-stitch. Usually it's in the little bitty keychain things. They do have tools and crafts for all three of the majors. And they do custom for all three. Paint by number, cross-stitch, and diamond painting. And I think that's about it. So do check them out. They always have a very wide selection and very good prices. I love that store. The ones that I do the 2 reviews for, I love each and every one of those stores. Or, they've always got a nice selection and always up to date on what's new and there. So check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful products. We will see you next week for part 2 on Friday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.